Hey, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 20, y'all. And as you can see, I just left from getting my hair done. As you can see, I love the length. It's gonna look a little longer once the curls just start, so they're dropping or whatever. I like long braids. My husband like long braids, so guess who get long braids? Me. And you can see I got my strip lashes because we are getting ready to take our Christmas pictures, right? So, anywho, this vlog, I will be just washing Ashton's hair, y'all. Look at him. It's dry. I got to take it down. And we're going to do a quick little wash. And I'm going to do his hair in the morning, so I won't be styling in this video. It'll be the day of picture day for us in the morning. And I don't want to be styling his hair and try to record early in the morning, though. But just check out our video. Today I'm going to walk you through my 31-minute process of washing Ashton's hair, ensuring it stays healthy, clean, and tangle-free. We're starting with taking down Ashton's braids one by one, right here at the sink. This step is important to prevent unnecessary tugging and to make sure all the old buildup is exposed and ready to be cleansed. It's also a great time to gently finger detangle as you go, minimizing knots before the wash. Once the braids are all out, I rinse Ashton's hair really well with water. This step helps loosen any dirt and buildup, making it easy for the shampoo to work its magic. Taking the time to thoroughly rinse ensures that the hair is prepped and ready for cleansing. After the initial rinse, I go in with a clarifying shampoo. I carefully work it through his hair, focusing on the scalp. A clarifying shampoo is perfect for removing any product buildup, oils, or dirt without stripping the hair too much. I take my time massaging it in to avoid creating tangles and to ensure the scalp gets a deep clean. After rinsing out the clarifying shampoo, I switch to Aunt Jackie's Cowash for the second wash. This step adds moisture back to his hair while giving it another gentle cleanse. It also helps soften the strands, making the detangle process much smoother. Next, I will use some Tresemmé Conditioner to start detangling Ashton's hair. I make sure to coat every section thoroughly, then use a detangler brush to work gently out all his knots. This step is crucial because it preps the hair for the deep conditioning treatment. I also make sure I use my fingers to help detangle as well, and taking my time with a little comb for any knots. Sometimes he does have knots, and in this case he definitely had some knots that I had to work my magic through, and luckily he was a very big boy through that process. I am a proud mom. Now it's time to add Aunt Jackie's deep conditioning mask. This is a game changer. After detangling, I apply the mask generously, making sure every strand is coated. Deep conditioning adds hydration and strengthens the hair, making it more manageable. I let this sit for about 10 minutes to really penetrate the strands. I know that some people may feel that I am using a lot of conditioner, but I use what works for me. And this has always worked on my son's hair as well as my daughter's hair and even my hair. Like, this works. It keeps the hair salted and it does not take a long time. After the 10 minutes are up, I rinse out the deep conditioner thoroughly. It's important to ensure that there's no residue left, as that can help weigh the hair down and cause buildup. I take my time here to make sure the hair feels clean and light. Once the hair is rinsed, I apply Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. This step locks in the moisture and preps the hair for styling. I smooth it through his hair evenly, making sure every section is hydrated and protected. To finish up, I gather Ashton's hair into a neat bun and out of the way to help give his hair some manipulation and helping to retain length and reduce breakage. Now that Ashton's hair is done, it's time to clean the sink. I use hot water and Clorox disinfectant spray to thoroughly disinfect it. All right, y'all, so that was it. I'm gonna let his hair air dry. I'm gonna put in like 4 ponytails so it can be like for easy styling in the morning. Give him a bath tonight, and that's it. So thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think about this hair video. All right, bye.